Most people think aging starts in their genes. But what if it actually starts in your gut? Right now, tiny leaks may be forming inside your intestines, and those leaks could be accelerating how fast your body ages. Imagine your gut like a high-security border. Everything that enters your body has to pass through it. Nutrients allowed in, toxins blocked out. But what happens when that border starts to break? This condition is called intestinal permeability. Think of it like a dam with tiny cracks. At first, you barely notice, but slowly, water begins to leak through. Now imagine that leaking water triggering alarms everywhere. That's your immune system. Every time unwanted particles slip through, it reacts again and again and again. Over time, this becomes like a car alarm that never stops ringing, not loud enough to panic, but constant enough to slowly drain your system. But here's where it gets serious. This constant inflammation starts affecting your DNA. Think of your DNA like a massive control panel, and inflammation like someone randomly flipping switches. This process is called DNA methylation. It changes how your genes behave without changing the code itself, like dimming the lights in a room. Same wiring, less power. Now imagine a house where the lights slowly dim room by room. Nothing is broken immediately, but everything starts working less efficiently. That's how accelerated aging feels inside your body. So if the damage starts in the gut, can it actually be repaired? Your gut isn't static. It's constantly rebuilding itself. Think of it like a road under constant repair. Old cells are replaced, new ones are formed, but only if the right materials are available. If you're interested in understanding how your body changes over time, subscribe to BioAge Blueprint, because sometimes the smallest changes inside you have the biggest impact on how you age.
One of the key compounds involved is glutamine, an amino acid that helps strengthen the intestinal barrier and restore its structure. Think of glutamine like cement used to seal cracks in a wall. When the wall weakens, you don't just repaint it, you fill the gaps so nothing leaks through again. That's exactly what glutamine helps your body do. At the same time, polyphenols from foods like berries help reduce inflammation. They act like firefighters. When inflammation sparks, they move in and prevent it from spreading. Now, imagine this system working together. The cracks are sealed and the fires are controlled. That's when your body finally shifts out of stress mode. So, how do you actually begin sealing the gut? It starts with 3 key signals. Not complicated routines, just targeted actions your body already understands. First, reduce what's constantly irritating the gut. Think of it like trying to fix a leaking roof while it's still raining. Ultra-processed foods, excess sugar, and constant snacking can keep the gut under stress. Giving your digestive system short periods of rest allows the repair process to actually begin. Second, you provide the materials for repair. This is where glutamine becomes important. Think of it like delivering fresh cement to a construction site. Without it, the cracks remain open. With it, the structure begins to rebuild. Foods rich in protein and targeted supplementation support this process. Third, you reduce inflammation, because even a repaired wall can weaken again if the fire keeps burning. Polyphenol-rich foods like berries, green tea, and colorful vegetables act like internal firefighters. They help calm the signals that drive damage in the first place. And finally, you restore balance. Your gut follows a rhythm. Constant eating, constant stress, constant stimulation disrupt that rhythm. Sleep, consistent meal timing, and periods of calm allow your system to reset. Individually, these steps seem simple, but together, they send a powerful message to your body. Repair, stabilize, rebuild. Aging isn't just about time. It's about the signals your body receives every day. And some of the most important signals start
in your gut.